your band? Kanong nahilog diri nga side? Who's your band? Festival Queen number 5. Frieza Loren Ciliare. From Tribu Sagrado Corazon de Jesus. Now this time, let's have the awarding ceremony of our Retro Showdown. Now this time, congratulations, contingent number 5. Now this time, we will award the best in street dancing. Isagin din yung bet. Will it be contingent number 5? Will it be number 4? Number 3? Number 2? Number 1? Best in street dancing is contingent number. Contingent number. Contingent number 2. Opo sa nagkayusang mananayaw sa umpadanon. Okay. Miss Janelle. Best in costume. Kaning costume ato makita kani. Best in costume. Who's your band? Best in costume is contingent number. Contingent number. Contingent number 4. Tribu Mabulungkong mananayaw sa cluster 2. Next is the best in musicality. Best in musicality. What's up? Excited sa ninyo eh. Pa-picture sila sa tubangan. Best in musicality is contingent number. Contingent number. Ayaw sa lingkod, contingent number 4. Tribu Mabulungkong mananayaw sa cluster 2.
Piling ubusin yung lagan. Cup.
Miss Janelle, major awards. No, last. Napay langit. That's it for the best in best in best. Okay. Okay. This time, we're all done awarding our best of the bests. This time, from 5, we will announce our Kaskas Duyog Festival 2025 second runner-up. Second runner-up to be assisted by our judge number 1. Okay. Second, Kaskas Duyog 2025 second runner-up is Kensa. Contingent number 3. Bundok sa nagkahiusang maanyag na balukid, bagong silang lupa. Bukid. Okay. Sus. Ibog siya ganit balukid. Tulong din siya kakuano, cluster. Si Bagong Sitio, si Bagong Silang, si Lupa, o si Bukid. Balukid. May pagkamugna. Kahit sa sinagmugna kahanang. Now this time, dito maglangay-langay. Let's announce Kaskas Duyog Festival 2025 first runner-up to be assisted by Miss Janelle, to be assisted by our judge number 2, 3. Okay. Sir Edgar. Kaskas Duyog Festival 2025 first runner-up is Kensa. Contingent number 5. Tribo Sagrado Corazon de Jesus. Our grand champion will be awarded by our barangay councilors and barangay captain to be assisted by our judge number 2.
Sa palibot ang mga hunin na kanunod upan sa mga bayo mong yaka mga katauhan sa pahaknan maya sa magaling na pagnamo.
Congratulations! Contingent number 5, Tribo Sagrado Corazon de Jesus. O karon, pahakanons! Akong i-announce ang ato ang first ever Kaskas Duyog Festival Grand Champion! Ups! We still have 3 contingents. We have 1, 2, and 4. Kinsa makahaani nila? Asa. As well as our grand champion will also receive the best in choreography. Okay, akong hostpon, ang atong grand champion will also receive the best in choreography. Asa ang mga fans sa contingent number 1, number 2, number 4. Now, asa mo? 4 na dahil mo? 4 na dahil mo? Balin mo sa 4? Sydney! Our first ever Kaskas Duyog Festival 2025 Grand Champion is... will also receive the best in choreography is contingent number... Contingent number 4. Tribo Mabulukong Mananayaw sa Cluster 2. First ever Grand Champion of Kaskas Tuyong Festival 2025 here in Barangay Pahak is contingent number 4. Tribo Mabulukong Mananayaw sa Cluster 2. Choreographer Auntie Ram, Shayna, Shinea, Sayi. Head coordinators Mercy, Malinin and Sir Nestor Rigon. Dance masters Ivan, Peter, Adrian, Krisha, Cassandra, Rihanna, and Missy. Okay, ups. Tingnan ko, Miss Janelle. Oh, picture sa mo diha, picture. Okay, this time, contingent number 2. Contingent number 2. Picture sa mo diha, contingent number 2. Contingent number 2 and contingent number 1. Let's have your photo opportunity. Dali. 2. Don't worry. Okay, in every competition there is always a winner and there's always a loser. Diba, Father? Yes. What a blessing from you, Father. Oy, fireworks! Fireworks display! Pahakanons! Kadato sa Barangay Pahak! Kadato sa Barangay Pahak! Advance! Belated naman di ay. Belated Happy Fiesta! Barangay Pahak!